Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer OOPS concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is abstraction. Abstraction is the concept of hiding the complex implementation details and showing only the necessary features of an object. It can be achieved using abstract class and interfaces. It is a design pattern used in Apex programming to hide complexity and provide functionality for a class. It is useful when multiple classes have methods that share similar logic or when there is a possibility of adding new methods in the future. Abstract class. An abstract class is a class that is declared abstract. It may or may not include abstract methods. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated, but they can be subclassed. When an abstract class is subclassed, the subclass usually provides implementations for all the abstract methods in its parent class. Implements, interface and virtual. Implements. The implements keyword is used to implement an interface. Interface. An interface is a programming structure or syntax that allows the computer to enforce certain properties of an object class. The interface keyword is used to declare a special type of class that only contains abstract methods. To access the interface methods, the interface must be implemented by another class with the implements keyword instead of extends. Virtual. The term virtual refers to a digitally replicated version of something real, whether it is a machine, a switch, memory, or even reality. It is distinguished from the real by the fact that it lacks an absolute physical form. Let's see an example. Abstract class. So public abstract class vehicle string data type, we had taken type abstract method public abstract void display info. Concrete class extending the abstract class. So public class car extends vehicle, this vehicle abstract class. So here we had taken make and model string data type. So constructor, we are taking the values make and model, and this dot type car we are taking here. Implementing the abstract method public override void display info. It's going to display the type make model. So uses when we are creating the my car instance, then Toyota and Camry, my car dot display info output will be vehicle type car Toyota and Camry. Thank you.